Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Girls That Make. So this was sent to me for review. I really love the box. Look, it's like very, what is his name? An artist, and I can't think of it. Any other time I'd be able to think of it, and now I'm on the spot. And I can't. He did like the dot drawings. He's like a modern artist. Oh gosh, I can't remember. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to get stuck there. Every month with this box, this is for young children, you'll make different wearable technology, which is really cool. It can be a hat, it can be a necklace, it can be whatever. It's $39.99 monthly, and they do have reduced prices for longer subscriptions. Now, they sent needles with this that were the wrong size, and I do have replacement needles to complete this project. So I did not bring them up with me. They came packaged separately. They're downstairs. I don't know exactly what's in here. I think ooh, look at all this. Wow, okay. I think the ages, this is for older kids. So if you have an older daughter, this is perfectly for Penelope. This will be great for her. She's 10. So they have a Facebook Messenger codes. So there's that. No, it's telling me to, ooh, so we're going to be making a pin cushion. That looks what, oh no. So, okay, hold on. Post a picture on Instagram and you'll get a free pin cushion. You can earn rewards for completing projects. So you can get like a t-shirt, a hat, and this is a magnet, which is kind of cool. And then here's, I guess this is our little pamphlet. So we're making a sparkly bracelet. And it says Dare to Create, which I think is really cool. And I love, by the way, something I haven't said yet, I love the premise of this box, especially for girls who, you know, all the information that we have in studies indicates that girls are not doing as well in math. And partly, now we don't really know exactly why, but partly it's because as a society, we step back, we say, oh, math, it's so hard. It's so confusing. I don't get it. Or I don't get the sciences or whatever. Look at my cat. What is she over here just loving up? And so part of what we have to do is make those things fun for our children. And things like this, these STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematical boxes that like have a craft where they complete a project and they can see numbers and science in action, help to enforce that it's very important and math is really applicable in life. How many times have I heard an adult say, I don't even know why I used algebra, I never use it in life, and they don't realize first of all, why you really learn algebra. And personally, you can use algebra in life, but I think algebra just helps you to see things differently. It helps you to look outside of your own perspective. And now I'm ranting, but I think we need to look at learning as a gift. And every opportunity is a gift. And this is awesome. So, having said that, let's look. So we're going to be making this sparkly bracelet. Now this unboxing is not going to be that great because these are a lot of small parts that we don't know exactly how they're going to work together. You're supposed to look through first. It tells you, just like instruction manuals. Make sure you have everything. And then it's going to slowly, let's understand the parts. That's cool. So they're going to tell the children how this is working. We have circuit boards. I'm actually kind of nervous to touch everything because I know some things shouldn't be touched. 3D printing. What? Start with electricity. Oh, this is cool. Test. I think my husband will want to also do this with Penelope because he loves, but he particularly loves like the inner workings. I do too. That's what I actually used to do that. The inner workings of little motors. So I find this stuff very interesting. Sew the battery to the PCB. Let's decipher the coding. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Blink code, introduction to coding. Oh, this is so neat. Are you ready to test your knowledge? And then there's your test at the back. How cool is that? So we take this out and we have this felt fabric, white felt. Hey, no, you can't have that stuff, stinker. We have a pin here and a palm on the pin. And this is going to serve as our actual bracelet, I'm supposing. Oh, it's magnetic. How neat is that? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm in love. Oh my gosh, so here's your inner part for the bracelet. There's some school glue, sorry, just from a standard white glue. Some silver thread. More palms with needles. No, nope. The cat. I gotta watch the cat because the cat loves those. A whole bunch of wires in colors black, red, green, and white. This part here, I guess this is our battery, I'm guessing. Here's our circuit board. No, this is not our circuit board. Maybe it is our circuit board. There's two then. So there are those. And then there is a, good, they have them, because I know you cannot touch, like your fingers cannot come into contact with that sort of stuff. A sticker that says Girls That Make, which is super cool. And then this, Blink Fade Board. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Integrated circuit. So here is the circuit board. So I don't know what the other things are. Ooh, interesting, right? And then there is one little, a little sticker that shows the bracelet that we're making. So I'm super pumped to do this. I'm actually really excited to see how it turns out. We're gonna need a day though, like where we don't have much going on, and like to actually complete it properly. I'm pumped. I think that as long as it's presented properly, you can really show like how cool this really is. So if you're interested in seeing the full review, I'm going to link to that below. I'll put pictures of us creating it and the final product. I'll also link to Girls That Make so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!